How to fix SNCF Connect app not working. So if SNCF Connect app is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. First, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If the application still does not work, what you can do is update it. There might be some bugs. Open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for SNCF Connect. See the results. Find the application for SNCF Connect and tap on it. If you see the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the app will be updated. After the update is completed, your problem should be fixed. If not, try clearing the cache. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for SNCF Connect. Long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache and the cache will be cleared. Once the cache is cleared, your problem should be fixed. If the problem still persists, uninstall the application. Reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. Open the app and start using it. It should be working. Sometimes there might be a problem with your device itself. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart and your device will be restarted. After the restart is done, temporary software glitches should be fixed. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. SNCF Connect app will start working. Like this, you can fix SNCF Connect app not working. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.